Hello and welcome back, or welcome. I am Jill Maurer, and today I have a double unboxing. This arrived yesterday. I couldn't shoot yesterday. I just ripped the label off the package and I didn't open it. I didn't even cut it open because I knew that if I did, I would not be able to keep from peeking. This is my very first order from Fashionphile. I have never purchased from them before, although I have stalked their site for a while. They had a sale recently where they had an extra 10% off sale items, I think it was, and I found two bags that I had been eyeing, and I went ahead and pulled the trigger on them. So let's get this open. Let's try to do this. Oh, they say never to come at yourself with the knife. Let's see. All right, and then I'm gonna put this down and just rip it open. Ooh, I think I am. Okay. Says Fashionphile. Oh, I didn't have to turn it around. They both say Fashionphile. Okay. These two bags, one of them is a bag that I've wanted for a long time, and I've been eyeing them and sort of stalking them because I wanted one in really good shape. And then the other one was a little more impulsive, not exactly. I wanted a small crossbody bag. I have tried this one on in a store, but they didn't have a variety of colors. And we're gonna see if we think this color is going to work for me. So Fashionphile, I don't know what this is. Probably, I'm gonna say probably my receipt. Yes, it is my receipt. And some other little paperwork there that I will take a look at. There is a literal file. I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet. It says on the back, and then Fashionphile here. There is a little bit of this confetti, but it's not, you know, it's kind of big, fun confetti. A little thank you card. And then the sticker here says used is the new. All right, so let's see. Okay, there are two items here. It looks like they put the bigger one on top. I'm just gonna open the one on top first. This is, I'm pretty sure this is the one. This is from a brand that I happen to love. It's not talked about a lot here on YouTube. Not sure why. All right, it is in, I'm gonna put this box down. So it is in this Fashionphile dust bag. I don't remember if this one had its own dust bag. It's kind of nicely tied here. Okay, let's see. Smells good. No weird perfumey smells. All right. Oh, it's huge. Okay, here it is. This is my new to me Bottega Veneta Hobo. All right, this is, wow, it's really in great shape. They said it was in excellent shape. This does not look, to me, it almost looks like it's never been carried. This bag, I have another one in orange. This one is bigger. This is even bigger. So let me see if there's something in here. It does have, this is probably, yeah. So that's, I think you can see it on there. It's the Bottega Veneta dust bag. And that's all that's in there. This has, the inside, it has one of these older cell phone pockets. I don't know how well you're really going to be able to see in here. Later I'll do a real review on it, but it's a suede interior. It does have a zippered pocket that is pretty big, and the zipper works well. And this works really well. Okay, so in love with this bag. I could carry this bag all day, every day. Like if I really had to take things down to one bag, I think you could live your whole life with this bag. This is a great, great bag. I'm so excited. At the end of this video, I'll do some modeling shots. I'll move the chair and see if I can do a couple of modeling shots for you. But oh Oh, I love this bag. I just love this bag. It is bigger than I anticipated, and I'm totally okay with that because it just molds to your body. I don't carry a whole lot in a bag, and so it's never gonna be big and stuffed, but I'm excited. I love it. Let me know what you think about it. And now for the second bag. Here is the second bag. As you can see, it is much smaller. This is a crossbody bag. Very curious about the color, and I'm very curious about the bag. Already, it's smaller than I thought. It's smaller than the one that I tried on in the store. We have one little boutique that has some of these bags in this town. I don't have, I don't have a place to see a lot of these, so we're gonna see what we think. Okay. Here it is. This is another Fashionphile dust bag. And I don't remember if this one has its own dust bag. It smells good again. It's cute. It's tiny. This is I think it's the Marcy bag, the Chloe Marcy bag. And this is I wanted a neutral brown is what I really wanted, and they didn't have it, but they had this pink. And I was hoping, and it looks like it is, that this pink was sort of a sophisticated enough kind of taupey pink or grade pink that it could be a neutral for me in the summer. What I really want from this is to be a spring and summer kind of casual bag that I can wear crossbody just about every day, a lot of the time. Especially when I don't want to be so flashy. I mean, it does say Chloe, but it's small. And I mean, unless you know that this is an expensive bag, you don't know. Just wanted something kind of understated. This is interesting the way that it opens here. There's no snap or anything. You can just let it hang, or you can put this through here. So you open it up, and there's a slip pocket here, and there is this crossbody strap. This is probably the original care card. There's a little pocket in the back and a zippered pocket, and the original Chloe tag. Okay, let's take a look. It is small, which is fine as long as this strap is going to be long enough for me. This strap right now is set on the tightest, which is a little short for me, but not bad. I think the way it's set now, it'll be good for the shoulder strap. Obviously, whoever had this put it right there. Hopefully that will work for me too, because that is kind of obvious. That's the only thing that I can see that is a condition issue on this bag right now. I mean, it's not in perfect shape, but I don't know. It might have looked like that at the store. It's in pretty good shape. This thing, it really is. I do think that this is going to be big enough for me to carry my essentials. If I could just carry wallet, phone, and keys, I can get out the door. And I have a feeling that I can do, not my biggest wallet, but my size down wallet, phone and keys, and then a little bit more. I can throw, maybe even a little mini pochette in here. If you'd like to see what fits in this and a review, let me know. Now for some mod shots. All right, I hope you can see me. I'm actually going to I have these little heels on. I'm going to take them off so that I fit in the frame a little better. I'm not overly tall. I am 5'7", which I think is about average, but that'll give you an idea for scale here. And here is this bag. Of course, sometimes I would carry it like this, but usually I'll carry it like this. I just think it's a great bag, especially in winter, but this is a year-round bag. I can wear this all year round. It holds a lot. It's very secure. I have a similar bag in orange that's just a little smaller. Maybe I'll do a comparison of them here eventually. But I just happen to know that I love the style of this bag. Very understated, very practical in black. I can't even tell you how excited I am. I love this bag. And now for this little bag. This is the Chloe, the Marcy. The way it's set right here, I know these tags are distracting. They're distracting me. I'm not quite ready to take it off. That is smaller than I had wanted it to be. It's a little smaller than I had wanted it to be. I wanted one one size up from this, I think. The sizes are a little confusing. You see two bags called a small and they'll have different measurements, or two bags called a medium and they'll have different measurements. I'm going to set this where the last person had it set and see if that happens to work for me. That is pretty good. I might set it even a little bit longer. I'm going to go ahead and put it, this will be the last setting. This is the longest setting. And I might not need quite that much. Yeah, I like it that way. That's the length that I like it better, and that is the longest setting. I'm just not sure if this bag is maybe just a little bit small for my frame. I do like the color and I do like the style. My only concern is the size. Let me know what you think about that. There you have it, my first Fashionphile unboxing. It was my first Fashionphile purchase ever. And I do think that these are two great bags. They are great additions to my collection, and I think I will get a lot of use out of both of them. If you like this video, please like it and share it. Please also subscribe. I would love to see you here again. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think of these two bags? Until next time.